Okay, all right. So to say the predictions are not working, so first of all, you have to understand how to treat this, right? This is not the end all be all. This is simply one data point, right? So if you're trading just on this, you're not using it right? This is really telling you where the trend could possibly go, right? So kind of as I was talking about earlier in the show, I think you can really think of this as support, right? Or as a trend forecast, right? Because it's a rolling price prediction. It updates with every price close every single day. And it's basically telling you where the trend could go, right? So as you see here, the predictions obviously were not perfect because Bitcoin was doing better than anybody thought. And I don't think anybody thought Bitcoin would be going this fast, this high. However, they were predicting a positive trend, right? And then when the prediction was here, Bitcoin came back to test this support here in a way, right? The prediction model. So it veered off course and came back to basically be on the expected mean. Basically, it was reverting back to the mean, right? So think of this as the mean. It can kind of veer off course, but when the predictions are, I think this to me is actually very bullish, right? It's basically saying if Bitcoin does correct, it's not going to crash back down to like 10K. It's going to come down and maybe be around 16, 17K. So to me, this actually is bullish for alts, right? And then going back to, those are the indices. Let me go to the ratings, right? If we go to the ratings here, let me take off the search, right? So look at this. Today's coin, Aspire. Now, typically I don't cover low cap coins, but I know lots of people do like low cap coins. This has a grade of 99%, and today it's up 84%, right? So the Quant grade is basically picking this up and telling you, hey, maybe you should look into this, right? And actually, the funny thing is, this was a project, I think our team did look into it because Michael Turpin was an investor, and he brought this to our attention. And it looks like it's trading on exchanges, even though the liquidity is low, right? The whole point of the Quant grade is to help us find these low cap gems as they move and help us figure out which ones to put attention into researching further, right? This doesn't mean go out there and FOMO buy into this. It means that, okay, maybe we should look into this and see if it's a good trade, right? So maybe, Bill, could you pull up Aspire if possible and see if we could do some TA on that, right? But then Bitcoin is scored very high again, which means very, very bullish on Bitcoin, right? So all these are just several data points. The best way to trade or invest is to factor in the ratings here, factor in the price prediction, right? But in general, this, you can invest or trade almost purely based off of this, right? Because the trader grade, for example, factors in the price prediction and the technical analysis already, right? So if you're looking for short-term day trade, for example, Ava Labs is one to look into, Secret Network, Newton, right? So if you're not maximizing this, just tune into our live streams. Our team will be here to answer questions and show you how to maximize and use the platform, right? But definitely, even one. Let me see XRP, because we've been bullish on XRP since actually, yes, since the 29th. We're actually just talking about this in a marketing meeting, because we've had so many people come and join us from XRP Army. So if we go to our YouTube channel here real quick. So our fourth most popular video is the XRP price prediction, right? This and this. This was on the 21st. Actually, it was, this is a clip from a live stream. Live stream was probably on the, let me take a look, because we did 21st. This was actually probably from like the 15th, I think. So almost 2 weeks back, we're bullish on XRP. And that was partially based on TA, also based on the Quant grade. And we're like, why is XRP going up? Because I mean, even though the TA and the model said XRP is going up, but after doing some research, it turns out that there's an airdrop happening on XRP. So we just searched for XRP airdrop, and we came across this, which explains a lot. right? So apparently this project called the Flare Network announced that it will take a snapshot of the XRP amount on XRP wallet addresses for an airdrop, right? And we're wondering, okay, what the heck is this Flare Network? So Flare is a scalable, okay, it's basically a smart contract. Yeah, the new Flare platform helps customers run smart contract services on XRP using a virtual machine powered by Ethereum. So basically, it's an Ethereum virtual machine running on XRP. Okay, now our team is, because we did look into this a while back, but I don't think they had any open source code on their site. But the fact that the Quant grade picked this up through XRP without having us know what the heck is going on, that's a time saver. Being able to save time with the research is huge. So we definitely encourage you to go out there and take advantage of the Quant grade, right? Use that coupon code 40% off. It expires today in less than 12 hours, anniversary 2020. That's anniversary, all caps, 2020, right? So take advantage of that. Funky Fresh says Flare brings in smart contracts. Yeah, that's huge. Andre says best crypto channel on YouTube. Thank you, Andre. Thank you. We appreciate that. Be sure to smash the like buttons, subscribe, and use that discount code. So tell us what you think. How are you taking advantage of the Quant grades? Are you bullish on XRP, on Flare Network? Tell us what you think down below.